Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures. For the record, today is Wednesday, December 20th. Time is around 4 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and we knew already that we made a new all-time high in the Dow Jones yesterday. Also, the Nasdaq followed, and so this means that the bullish sequence continues. Therefore, my primary scenario is also a bullish one, as shown here, where we made a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and then now we are working on this wave 3 right here. If you want to have more details on this, you can have a look at my latest higher time frame analysis about the Dow Jones. So for the moment, I stick with a bullish scenario. However, I'm always prepared, and I already have a bearish scenario in mind. Let me quickly share it with you. In a later video, I will discuss it more in depth, and I will also put it on my chart. Might be that this wave 2 here is still ongoing as an expanded flat, and what we would have then is, after this wave 1 up here, we had a wave A down in 3. This is what should happen with an expanded flat, 1, 2, 3. From here we started our B wave. Or B wave then goes also in 3, A, B, C, with the B wave of the B wave a running flat structure, and so then this would be the A wave, this would be the C wave then, and after this A, B, C structure, we should finish wave B, and then we can have an impulse down, wave C down, even taking out the low right here. So that would be my bearish scenario in the weekly. However, for the moment, it's not really worth spending a lot of energy on this scenario, simply because we have a bullish sequence. Current price level is over here. The wave 2 low was here, so there is quite some separation, I would say. So therefore, for now, I just continue with the scenario in green, the bullish one. And so, as already shown in an earlier video, this here becomes our target area. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 pip extension is our target for a wave 3. If the bearish scenario would play out, then what I would like to see is that this wave B does not go beyond the 1.236 FIP extension, and actually this nicely coincides with the area we are having here, or wave 3 area. So then if we go to the daily, here this move up, so it was already clear that we started a new cycle from the low right here, that this was a significant low. And so in the daily, this looks very strong, but yeah, this strong move would actually also fit in an expanded flat structure, like this wave C, compared to what happened here, is allowed to end strong, because it's 3 waves and not 5 waves. The 5th wave in an impulse is supposed to end with divergence. So strong move up here. Let's have a look at the sub waves of this structure. If we go to the 4-hour, I would say this looks ending. This structure from the low right here, I know it already looks ending for quite some time, but it is what it is. The data is showing me that it is ending, and it looks a bit like I discussed yesterday in my Nasdaq video, that the market is punishing early sellers, let's say. But here, based on the data we have, this ending structure is still there. This is what we are seeing. We are having our 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are working on the 5th wave. We have our divergence right here in our 5th wave. This was wave 3 of 3, the strongest one. So this all makes sense. I would say what would change my mind, or what would change my forecast, is that once we take out the RSI reading right here, then it would mean that we are in the scenario in red, where this was the wave 1, wave 2 down, and that we are now actually working on the wave 3 here indicated in red. So that would be my alternative scenario. But for the moment, I stick with what I see on the chart. So I still prefer the scenario in green. And then this impulse, yeah, can be the wave 1 here, depending on how far this wave 3 will reach, or it can also be the wave 3 actually. But then we are supposed to have a short 5th wave of this degree, shorter than the impulse we are having here. Then if we go to the 1 hour, similar story here again. From this low, this data, the structure we are seeing is still fitting into an ending structure, I would say. So from this low, we have again, so I consider this as the 5th wave. We have again 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4. We break the RSI trend line with the 4th wave. Looks good. And so now our 5th wave is having divergence. We did not take out the high right here, the wave 3 of 3. So therefore, I believe that this structure here is also ending on the 1 hour. So I still stick with the scenario in green. If we would erase or divergence, then we have to switch to the scenario in red. And then on the 15 minutes, something similar. If we consider the structure from here, so the new cycle from here, so far this structure here also looks ending. We have our 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it looks like we will make a 5th wave or a new high here with divergence. Okay, that's my analysis for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the Dow Jones. Have a nice day. Bye bye.